Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Sky Mobile SIM card on your phone. So first of all, make sure the SIM itself is placed correctly inside your phone. Then open the browser from your phone right here, as I'm doing, and go to the activation page of Sky Mobile SIM. Now the easiest way to go to the activation page is simply search on Google for how to activate Sky Mobile SIM, and then tap on the first result here, which is the Activate SIM. Now you'll be redirected to the activation page where you need to sign in or sign up to your account in order to activate it. Now, if I tap on sign in or sign up, I'm redirected to a page where I need to create a Sky Mobile account with my email or username, or sign in. Here, tap on sign in at the very top right if you already have an account. Now, once you sign into your account or create a new account, you will be asked to provide your details such as your SIM card serial number or SIM card number, which is usually found on the SIM card package, and then enter your details, choosing your plans or subscription details, and then your ID, your information, all the information that are asked from you to provide in your account in order to activate your SIM card. So basically, you go with the setup wizard in Sky Mobile activation till the SIM card is successfully activated.